Hello all, welcome to Global Online University. As you all know, today we had our MHSET examination and everyone here is eager to know how much mark they have scored in paper 1. So at our channel, we help you prepare for paper 1 and in this video, we are going to give you complete answer key to paper 1. You all know that we have already uploaded the answer keys in Marathi, but the motive of this video is to give you all the answer key in English. Also, do write your score in the comment section. We would like to know how much you have scored. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first question is reflective teaching is the right answer is a cyclic process of thinking. Uh, just a second. Cyclic process of thinking about teaching. The right answer is option C. A teacher should identify dash and teach accordingly. So all know all the students are different and they have differences among themselves. So a teacher should identify individual differences and among students and teach accordingly. The right answer is option B. Swayam Prabha is a group of 32 DTH channels. DTH means direct to home channels devoted to telecasting of high quality educational programs. Okay. Traditional teaching support system includes whiteboard. Okay. It's not digital board or smart board. It's whiteboard. We also use blackboard. So that is traditional method. A teacher goes through students' notebooks and gives remarks. This is called notebook checking. Right answer is option A. Socrates has given method of discovering the truth. Socrates has given the dialogue method. Okay, right answer is D. Experimental researchers are aimed to establish relationship between variables. Okay, dependent variables, independent variables, and in experimental research we establish relationship. Okay, association. Limitations laid down by the researcher are called delimitations. The right answer to question 8 is B. For any frequency distribution, 50th percentile and dash are same and median are same. The right answer is B. Oh, so this is an important point that I want to tell you. A researcher uses data of an earlier research paper and publishes a new research paper. This is called, so the answer here could be, actually it could be ethical, unethical as well as permissible. It could be permissible if the researcher had put reference, okay, a reference of the research paper or the data that he is using, but here they have written nothing like that, so we are going to mark it as answer as B. But this is something you can put objection on this question, so they should have actually clarified here. A researcher uses data of an earlier research paper and publishes a new one. So whether he has put reference or not, he hasn't put reference. So this is an important point. This will decide whether your answer is going to be unethical or permissible. For now, I have marked your answer as unethical. Okay. Assuming that he has not put the reference. So for your passage, let's go. The answer to question 11 is option D. Comparatively more financial support is given to higher education sector. The policy makers in India are taking steps to increase expenditure towards higher education sector because they aim at enabling India to match up to global standards. So the right answer is option A. For question 13, the attitude of author towards the teacher is doubtful. The author says that today a significant portion of highly educated professional is stuck in a volatile academic ecosystem because there is lack of formal law to govern terms and condition of contractual engagement of highly educated professionals. The right answer is option B. For question number 15, there is growth in the number of university. Statement 1 says. Statement 2 says there is growth in absolute increase in employment. According to the passage, first one is true and second one is false. Okay. While defining communication, Miller focuses on behavioral change of receiver. Serial function of sender in communication cycle are as follows. The right answer is A. If you see everywhere decoding is present in all the options. So decoding, because decoding happens at receiver's end, but here they are talking about sender's end. Okay, so the right answer is option A. The components of communication cycle are sender, message, receiver, and feedback. The right answer to 18, question 18 is D. Okay, communication cycle. Which of the following is one of the communication based on number of parties involved? It is horizontal communication, happens in an organization when people of different groups they communicate. Okay, of same, actually people of same status they communicate. Characteristics of mass media communication are large number of audiences, heterogeneous audiences, and scattered audiences are absence of direct feedback. The right answer is option C. So this question is doubtful. You can answer it in the comment section. For question number 22, so they have given here a string of pebbles of different color. So what you have to do is they are asking here, if you connect the ends of this string, which two strings are going to be identical? So the right answer is option C, X and Z. See here, you see G, G, G here, double G over here. So if you match here G, G, B, R, B, R, R, B, R, B, R, R. So you see how they are getting repeated here. All these are same, and here it is not same. Okay, X and Z string are going to be same. So the right answer is C. The average weight of 25 children in a boat is 22 kgs. The average weight of 25 children and padded is 24 kgs. What is the weight of padded? So you all know the total weight of the children is going to be 24, 20, it's 22 into 25. It is going to be 550. Okay, and if you see this average weight 550 plus x upon 26, it is going to be 24. So why I have taken here 26? Because one more extra thing is going to be added here. So 25 plus 1 is 26. So the answer, the value of x will come here as 74. Okay, the right answer is option A. Dayanand planted sugarcane in one third of its farm, groundnut in one fourth of his farm, and jowar in the remaining farm of 25 acres. How much is the total farm in acres in Dayanand? So Dayanand, you have to assume that the size of this his farm is x. So x upon 3, that is for sugarcane, plus x upon 4 is for groundnut, plus 25, it is going to be x. So this is one equation that you have to solve. This is 7x plus 25 into 12 is equals to 7, actually 12, 12x. Okay, so when you solve this, the answer you will get x as 60. Okay, this is 12. So Dayanand has total of 60 acres of land. One question is from compound interest. What sum is to be invested in 2 years at 14% interest rate compounded annually to grow to 5458.32. So you have to find out the amount. Amount is equals to plus, okay, 1 plus r upon n plus n into t. So when you solve this, you will get the answer as option C, 4200. Okay. While entering into a train, Anil was ahead of Shyam. So Anil is ahead of Shyam. If Shyam is here, Anil is here. So here, this is the train. Okay. So these people are entering. Anil is ahead of Shyam, who is ahead of Kiran. Okay, and he's ahead of Kiran. Anil is behind Shweta. So Shweta is here first. So you see the order: Shweta, Anil, Shyam and Kiran. Shweta, Anil, Shyam, Kiran. So the right answer is option C to question 26. 27 is LOQN is converted into JMLO. So how will you convert JDJM? This is very simple. LONQ JMLO. So you have to do, this is minus 2, okay? L minus 2 is J, O minus 2 is M, N minus 2 is L, and Q minus 2 is O. So you have to go just 2 steps backward. The same thing you will do with this. The answer will come as A, because E, F, G, F is missing, B, C, D, H, I, J, and K. After K, L comes, then M comes. So here, everywhere what is happening, you just have to skip one term. You have to go one term backward. Question number 28 is, which of the following is correct description of the statement given below? All animals die, human beings are all are animals. Therefore, every human will die. So this is an inference kind of statement. The right answer to question 8 is B. Which of the following diagrams above shows the correct relationship between these three terms? Women, sisters and mother. The right answer is option B. Why? Because a sister is going to be a woman and a mother is also a woman. So this is the big circle for woman. But some sisters can also be mothers, okay? And some mothers can also be sister. So this is going to overlap. Hence the answer comes as B. Which of the following is or are valid conclusion based on the statement? All players are aggressive. All players are aggressive. Some politicians are aggressive. Some politicians are aggressive. So, if you see, some politicians are not aggressive. Okay. So, this can be validly drawn from the statement. Hence, the right answer is A. Question number 31. So, this is a DI question. You have been given, this is quantity in lakhs and the revenue generated from these quantities. This is in crores. So, you have to find the answers to question 31 and 32. In which year revenue generated per unit is maximum? So what you have to do? You have to find um, the revenue. The maximum is in 2013. For question number 32, the right answer is option B. What is the average per unit revenue generated from 2011 to 2015? What you have to do is, you just have to calculate all the revenue, okay, mean of all the revenue, total of all the revenue upon total units. So when you will divide those two, your answer will be option B. Okay. So this is one more question. Okay, I'll read out the question. 800 students were there in a classroom. 220 failed in Marathi, 300 failed in English, 150 in Hindi. So this is a Venn diagram based question. Okay. So like this, you have to draw Marathi, English, and one circle for Hindi. How many students failed in exactly two languages? So this is the area for two languages. Okay. So that when you will calculate, when you will solve, the right answer will come as 165 for question 33. For question 34, how many failed in only one language? The answer is 250. For this question, you have to find this area. I'll tell you this. One language, okay? So this area you have to leave, because here the students have failed in more than one language. So they are talking about only one language. It is 250. Which is the most thickly populated state? So there we have been given some data and you had to find which is most densely populated. The right answer is option D. Okay, state D. Question number 36. Which of the following is the correct full form of TRAI? It is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Option B is the right answer. For question 37, in which year Information Technology Act was enacted? It is in 2000. Who played an important role in developing first supercomputer in India? It is Vijay Bhatkar. Option B. It was developed in Pune. Government of Maharashtra has made compulsory for schools to enter information of all students in the web portal known as Saral. The right answer is B. Which among the following is part of digital initiative for higher education in India? It is NAD, National Academic Depository. One of the following waste is not under hazardous one. It is agriculture residue. It should be actually residue. The spelling is wrong over here. Question number 42 is UN Conference on Environment and Development in 1992 was held in Rio de Janeiro. It is in Brazil. The right answer is to question 43. Biomedical waste and human animal tissue organs and infected body parts are disposed using incineration. Question number 44. Landslide hazards are common in hilly regions due to loss of uh, vegetation, loss of soil, cutting off hill slopes. The right answer is option D, all of the above. International Solar Alliance was established to promote solar energy. Its headquarters is established in. The right answer is Gurgaon, India. Question number 46. To receive the degree Vasu, learner was expected to learn minimum 12 years in Gurukul. The right answer is option A. The University Education Commission 1948 recommended that there should be minimum 180 working days excluding examination. The right answer is A. The main role of UGC in higher education is to provide funds to universities. The right answer is D. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute is established in Nagpur. Supreme Court was directed in judgment given in 1991 to make the subject environmental study compulsory in college curricula. So this is the answer key. If you have any doubts regarding any answer, feel free to write it in the comment section, and or if there is any update, we will also put it in the comment section. So that's it from our side. Do let us know your marks, and if there is anything about Maharashtra set, we will definitely upload it on our channel as soon as possible. That's it for today. We'll be uploading more videos about MHSETs. Keep watching. Bye.